Top 5 coffee machines. Number 5. Krups EA8250 Espresso Seria. Fully automatic 1450 watt espresso/coffee machine in a convenient compact size. Built-in metal conical burr grinder captures full flavor, adjustable grind setting. User-friendly control panel with intuitive LCD screen and knob for simple operation. Thermo-block heating technology, 15-bar high-pressure pump. Steam nozzle, 60-ounce removable water tank, removable drip tray. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Breville BES840XL The Infuser. Pre-infusion function applies low water pressure at the start of the extraction. 1600W thermocoil heating system with integrated stainless steel water coil accurately. Auto purge function automatically adjusts water temperature after steam. Accessories, single and dual wall filter baskets, coffee scoop, stainless steel jug. Please review the troubleshooting steps under product details for remedies. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. The Keurig Revo Cappuccino. Automatic on/off function, energy saving mode. 15 billion Argentine pesos of pressure, brews under 1 minute. Convenient design allows you to brew espresso on one side and froth milk. 3 frothing modes, cappuccino, latte, and cold froth. 2 espresso size options, short, 1.4 ounces, and lungo, 2.8 ounces. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Breville BES870XL Barista. 15-bar Italian pump and 1600W thermocoil heating system. Purge function, automatically adjusts water temperature after steam. Stainless steel conical burr grinder with half a pound sealed bean hopper. 67 fluid ounce, 2L, removable water tank with handle. Newer model of the Breville BES860XL Barista Express. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. DeLonghi EC155 15-bar pump. Use convenient pods or ground coffee with the patented dual-function filter holder. Easily prepares latte and cappuccino with the swivel jet frother, for perfect drinks. Eliminate annoying start-up preparation with the self-priming operation. Always brew espresso at the perfect temperature with 2 separate thermostats. Enjoy delicious espresso for years to come with the durable, high-quality stainless steel. Please check the description for details and best price.